Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to understand how modern AI knowledge assistant work using Retrieval-Augmented Generation, commonly known as RAG. We'll explore what RAG is, why organizations need it, how ChromaDB works, how Ollama fits into the architecture, and end-to-end data flow. Where no coding in this video, we'll focus purely on concepts and architecture. So the problem where organizations face or currently have, uh, basically in the areas where HR policies, security standards, documentation, and the compliance procedures, and the internal knowledge base. So finding information inside these documents can be difficult, and the traditional search relies only on keywords. So if users don't know the exact keywords, finding information becomes challenging. And large language models alone are also not enough because they don't know company policies. They can hallucinate, which is false information. They don't have access to private documents. So this is where RAG helps. Now, what is RAG? RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Instead of answering directly from the model memory, the system retrieves relevant information from documents. This significantly improves accuracy. So now let's look at the architecture. The process starts with documents, which has the HR policies, security policies, and the incident response plans. So these documents become our knowledge source. Now let's understand the document processing, where documents are loaded, then it is cleaned, then split into chunks. So chunking is important because LLM works better with smaller sections of information. And now the embedding generation, where each chunk is converted into numerical vectors. We use nomic embed text model. So these vectors represent meaning rather than keywords. Now we have the ChromaDB, which is the vector database, and the vectors are stored in ChromaDB, and ChromaDB acts as the knowledge repository. Instead of storing text alone, it stores semantic meaning. Now we have the user queries. So a user, if it asks how many work from home days are allowed, the question is converted into an embedding. Semantic search. So ChromaDB searches for similar embeddings, and this retrieves the most relevant document chunks. Prompt augmentation. Retrieved chunks are combined with user question, instructions, and context. It creates an augmented prompt. So now we have the Ollama and Llama. So basically, Llama is the open source model of Ollama. So now the prompt is sent to Llama, and which is basically running locally through Ollama. The model generates a context-aware answer. So now, as you understand how enterprise AI assistants work using RAG, in the next video, we'll build this architecture from scratch using Python, ChromaDB, and Ollama. So till then, stay tuned, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for upcoming new videos.